Aussie Hot Shots steam cleaners made for Australia. Step up to steam for faster, smarter cleaning. Grease and oil melt away. Graffiti peels off, applied chemicals work faster. Steam sanitizers, killing germs and bacteria. At Aussie, we have developed a range of electric drive and engine drive hot water units up to 4,000 psi. Designed specifically for Australian conditions and unique to Aussie Pumps. We know our machines need to be robust, safe to use and last in the field, so we built in all the features you need without overcomplicating the design. All our electric drive units feature 4-pole motors and slow-speed industrial triplex pumps for longevity. They come mounted in a steel chassis with a stainless steel cover for protection. The double-loop heating coil is made in Europe, and most models have the option of stainless steel coils for hard water areas. The diesel-fired burner is efficient with low diesel consumption. Simple controls and safety features protect the machine and the operator. Our Aussie Sizzler hot wash is an entry-level hot wash that is easy to use and simple to look after. Running on 240 volts single phase means it can be used in most workshops, car detailers, hire companies and small wash bays. It is set to run at 80 degrees Celsius for maximum cleaning effectiveness and fuel efficiency. The Aussie Super Indy delivers steam up to 120 degrees Celsius. It is available in single phase or 3-phase and delivers up to 3,000 psi pressure for use in mechanical and transport wash bays. Stainless steel coil options across the range. The Aussie Admiral is our super heavy duty steam cleaner for high volume wash bays and workshops, with pressures up to 4,000 psi and flows to 19 litres per minute. These high-performance steam cleaners offer real whack to tough cleaning applications and heavy-use wash bays. For mobile on-site cleaning, our Aussie Hydrotech range feature Honda petrol and Kubota diesel engines. With pressures up to 4,000 psi, they're popular with graffiti cleaning contractors, councils and on mine sites. The compact Aussie Heatwave is ideal for graffiti contractors, while the HSC and the HSS models make light work of surface cleaning and paint prep. And for on-site or infield cleaning of mining gear, we offer our super heavy-duty Spec trailer mounts. These self-contained units just need water added to the tank and they're ready for action. Talk to the team here to discuss your needs and let us guide you to the right Aussie Hot Shot.